So here we just completed cutting 2 tiles, which is one set. They come in a set of 2 tiles, 47 by 47. So as you can see, what we did, we cut the 2 tiles from the inside so it showed this continuous piece, the balloon. And then as a wrap, it comes in here. So it does show as a one continuous slab of Calacatta marble. So that's how we figured it out. We do it, and then the next set we cut in half. So basically this 47 comes in half, and we install the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add 2 more to finish up the third and second and a third wall. And we will take a video and a picture once we're done. composite tiles. We installed them in a way where this, for example, is one tile, 47 by 47. What we did, as you know, most of the standard tubs are 60 by 32. So what we did, we wanted to cut 30, 30, and whatever's left over. So basically, we ended up with 30, 17. So this is one tile, 147 by 47. So as you can see, it's continuous. So it flows very nicely. The same on the other side. After that, another 47 by 47 tile was cut in half, which is 23 and a half. That would, in our case, you might not have this much space, so you might cut it differently, but we had 23 and a half. In the other bathroom, I did 19 inches, so basically I just trimmed it a little bit more. But as you can see, it's also one continuous tile, so you can see that it flows from this side to this side. And again, 30 and 17. And the leftovers I had to cut from another set. So basically, I finished 2 bathroom surrounds with 5 packs. So 2.5 packages per each washroom. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, so it will be shared with as many people as possible, and it will also bring you health, happiness, success, and prosperity.